We just arrived at a foreclosure auction. It looks kind of scary. It's clearly just vacant and it's actually wide open. So we're gonna go walk and check it out before the auctioneer gets here, and so we can figure out what our bid's gonna be. So come on along with me. So we got a beautiful turn of the century shed right here. I think that quite a few people have been killed in there. So that's great. This is always a good sign when it's wide open for you. That's great. Usually there's never any animals in there or raccoons or anything like that. No problems here, right?
Don't call me a raccoon!
All right. So we do have some duct work that's seen better days. Got a well pump here. Poured foundation. There's a hole right there. That's always good. You always want a hole into your basement. I beg to say the plumbing's probably shot. See if they'll...
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's like a toilet on a platform. Wow. Okay, let's see if the upstairs has anything better in store for us. So this is like a trailer that they basically they took this trailer and put it on a foundation, and so we got here. We got these aren't even. Oh. Whew. So I'm thinking new kitchen, probably a little flooring. Looks like we might need some sheetrock repair. And, a little lipstick, a little pig, no problem. Jesus. What is that ceiling made of? If you see anything you want, Jeff, please.
Nothing's catching my eye, man.
Nothing? This is a cute little thing, Jeff.
It's probably haunted. Or possessed.
Have you seen this movie yet? Come on.
Of course I've seen Spy Kids 2. Of course.
Of course.
Unbelievable.
Did you get upset and just punch holes in the wall, Jeff?
I did.
I knew it. Well, that's sad. A little crib. Vivian Marie. Aw. I'd say that's a safety issue, but I think that's the least of their concern. There's a little it looks like there's a bathroom over here too. Yeah. Yep, can't get in there. There's a full bathroom right there. So this is your master bedroom. Jesus Christ. Ugh, watch out, you almost land on a skate. Ew. I wonder where the smell coming from. I'd say I'm proud of you, Jeff. Sticking it through.
You should be. You should be very proud. I feel like I've been through worse though with you so far.
Yeah, you're right. This is a walk in the park. This is nothing. So we see if we can get out this way and see if we can get on the deck. Want some beer?
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
Oh, good. This is rough. Look at that roof. I mean, geez, what, we gotta pick this up for like $5 grand?
Right. Maybe just bulldoze the whole thing and start over.
Yeah, Jesus. I mean, the land, that's a good point though. I mean, the land might have some value.
Yeah.
It's probably worth 30, 40 grand. So maybe it makes sense to demo the whole thing and just sell it as raw land. Yeah, Jesus. This is just a lot of work. I mean, it's got a foundation. That's a plus. It's poured foundation, but I mean, there's almost nothing else redeeming about this property. Like, it's a nice area. Clear a few trees. Oh, look at this! You got a beautiful well. Maybe Timmy's down in the well. We should take a look. Another shed. Like, what is with all the weird sheds? I wonder if let me know if you see any bones that were burned in here.
Definitely.
This is a legitimate well, dude. I don't know if I want to really open it. There might be something in here. It's locked. Now what really is in there? Huh. Wow. I don't know, let's see if we can run some numbers and see what we're willing to bid on this one. Basically helping us run numbers. And
your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging
clearly he's out and about right now. Dang it. So, we got to figure out rough numbers ourselves with the limited reception that we have. So let's see. So I'm going to try to pull up the MLS, see what kind of comps have sold in the area, and we'll go from there. Let's see. It's actually 2 full bathrooms. They were saying it was only 1.5 bathrooms. There's actually 2 full baths in there, which is good. So not fun, well, not surprising. There's not a lot of homes. So there's in Hinsdale, which is not a great comp, sold for $90,000. I really think you're talking evaluation of like maybe 140. The question is how much it costs to rehab this thing and this far out. I mean, I think we're looking at north of 80 grand easy. I think my first assessment of getting this for like under 10 grand or 5 grand is accurate. This back in 2010, it was bought for 133,000. So assuming they paid something maybe and put down the payment. Taxes are current. So that means the bank's been paying it. Because clearly not the current occupants are. It was built in 1988, blah, blah, blah. It does have a septic system. The septic system was installed in 1982. There are no Title V records in the folder or pumping records, so that's concerning. So it's an older system, so you've got to throw in at least 20 grand right there for a possible new septic system. Even if no one buys the site, which I doubt if it goes for north of 50 grand, I don't think they're going to buy it. I'm guessing this would go back to a local agent that's going to put it on the market. And once they look at what it is, it's going to put it out real cheap. I mean, and the other big thing is this is over an hour away. So when we're buying stuff that far away, we've always told you guys, you know, it's hard to manage and it's just more advantageous. Like for us, this would be trash it out and sell it to another flipper or something that doesn't go to auctions and just make a quick little profit. I think that's what this play is here. This is not to like renovate it and then resell it. It's just too far out to manage. Your costs will balloon, and it's just, you're gonna, you know, what could be then maybe an $80,000 budget goes to 120 easily. So it's better to just kind of basically wholesale this one real quick.
The iron pin in the northerly line of the white road, said pin being 225 feet easterly to the town of line of Heath and Coleraine, hence northerly along the westerly line, on the easterly line of land formerly of Hedrick
One eternity later.
Because I've never seen Carrington Mortgage Services before, so that's a good thing. Moving along, right? Okay. So the bank is opening it up at 123,700. 124 take.
It's yours.
No, I was. No.
Well, let's.
124, guys. I can tell by the amount of laughter we're not going anywhere.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you for coming out, guys. Appreciate your time today.
So basically it went for over $120,000 back to the bank. And my guess is basically they didn't really make any payments. The bank probably was paying the taxes, paying all the other fees. And so that kind of racks up, plus they have penalties. And so that's why they just took it back for what they are owed. And they'll probably just sit on the property for quite a while. It's gonna kind of keep deteriorating, unfortunately. And then, you know, who knows what's gonna happen. Eventually we'll get to a realtor. Eventually someone will buy it and hopefully it'll get raised or put a nice new property, but not at that price are we buying it today. We're gonna have to, like I said, we were under $10,000 to buy the property. So, and the other people were laughing around once they heard the number. It's ridiculous. The bank doesn't know what it has. And so unfortunately it's just gonna sit there for a little bit longer. Hope this was a little bit insightful for you guys and you kind of learned a little bit about the foreclosure process. If you want to learn more, check out our book, Foreclosure Unlocked, on Amazon. And as always, please leave a comment. And if you have a question, we'd love to answer it. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.